Welcome back to episode 2. In our last lesson, we say how easy it is when equations just fall into place. But what happens when you have bigger numbers or when adding them doesn't work? Today we are mastering the elimination method basic using both addition and subtraction so you can crush any system of equations. Let's get into example 1. Let's look at our first set of equations for today. Equation 1 is 3x plus y equals 13 and equation 2 is 2x minus y equals 2. Take a look at the y terms again. We have a positive y and a negative y. Since they have opposite signs, let's add both equations together to completely eliminate y. Combine the equations gives us 3x plus y plus 2x minus y equals 13 plus 2. The positive y and negative y cancel out perfectly. Now combine like x terms. 3x plus 2x gives us 5x. On the right side, 13 plus 2 equals 15. So we are left with 5x equals 15. Let's divide both sides by 5 to isolate x. The 5's cancel out and the 15 divided by 5 is 3. So x equals 3. Now let's substitute x equals 3 back into our first equation to find y. Our first equation is 3x plus y equals 13. Let's replace x with 3. 3 times 3 plus y equals 13. To get y by itself, let's subtract 9 from both sides. 9 minus 9 plus y equals 13 minus 9. The 9's cancel out, leaving us with y equals 4. Awesome. The final coordinates for example 1 are x equals 3 and y equals 4. Now let's mix things up with example 2. Look at this system. We have two equations. 4x plus 3y equals 18. That's equation 1. 4x plus y equals 10. That's equation 2. Notice something different? Both 4x terms are positive. If we add them, they won't disappear. So let's subtract the equations to eliminate x. We write it out as equation 1 minus equation 2. Be careful with your brackets here. 4x plus 3y minus within brackets 4x plus y equals 18 minus 10. Distribute their negative sign. 4x plus 3y minus 4x minus y equals 8. The 4x and negative 4x cancels out. Now simplify the y terms. 3y minus y leaves us with 2y. So we have 2y equals 8. Divide both sides by 2. We get the final answer of y equals 4. Let's substitute y equals 4 back to first equation to find our x. The first equation is 4x plus 3y equals 18. Let's plug 4 for y. 4x plus 3 times 4 equals 18. 4x plus 12 equals 18. Let's subtract 12 from both sides. 4x equals 6. Let's divide both sides by 4. We get x equals 3 over 2. So our final coordinates for this example is x equals 3 over 2 and y equals 4. You have officially mastered the basics of eliminations using both addition and subtraction. If this video make things click for you, make sure to subscribe to Scribe. Grab PDF link in the description below. For your homework problems and comment below if you have followed this along with these fractions. Get ready because the next lesson we are shifting gears to look at the substitution methods basic. See you there.